Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show a quick demo of the Clerk Invoices app. For more information you can check more videos in our help center. With the Clerk Invoices app we can automate invoice creation from Tempo or Jira time, and then send these invoices to our clients or to our accounting system. Let's look at how the app works. In the Invoices tab, we can view a list of invoices by year, with a cash flow graph on top. We also can view a list of invoices per month, and on this screen we also can see the uninvoiced time and billable versus non-billable time. At the bottom of the screen we can see a list of Jira projects that have uninvoiced time, and we also can check what time is uninvoiced. In the Clients tab, we can see a list of clients with totals, and when we open a specific client, we can see a list of invoices for this particular client. There are two ways how we can create invoices, automatically and manually. When we create invoice manually, we can add two types of lines: time-based lines, which import time from Jira, and fixed price lines, that have just fixed amount, like this. And to import time from Jira or Tempo, we need to create time-based line and use a time filter to define what time will be imported into this line. We can filter time by many parameters like Jira projects, custom issue fields, or Tempo work attributes. Let's filter time by a specific Jira project, like this. So now we can import time from Jira, put the hourly rate, and now we can save the invoice. For automatic invoice creation we need to use the invoice generator and invoice templates. You can watch a separate video that shows how that works. And here I will just make a quick demo of the invoice generator. The invoice generator can create multiple invoices for multiple clients based on invoice templates with a few clicks. We can create multiple invoice templates for each client that will be used by the invoice generator to create invoices. Invoice template also has time-based lines with a time filter that define the scope for this particular client, and a team scheme and price list. Team scheme does the breakdown of time into team roles, and price list or rate card defines hourly rates for these team roles. Team roles could be like middle developer, senior developer, etc. When we open the invoice generator, we see a list of clients and a list of their invoice templates. We can set a date range that will be used to import time from Jira. And now all we need to do is to click Generate button. The app goes through all invoice templates one by one. If no work was done for selected dates for some invoice template, it will be skipped. Otherwise, the app will create the invoice from that template. So now we can close the generator. And we see a list of invoices that we have created. And let's open one of the generated invoices. So as we see, all our invoice time was broken down into roles, and hourly rate is taken from a price list. Each time-based line has a detailed time report attached. This time report could be customized. Now we can export this invoice to PDF or CSV, we can email it to client, or we can share a web invoice by a secret public link. We can customize invoice and time report mockups. Here we can rearrange blocks, add new roles, format our data, and use variables that will be replaced by real invoice data. We can also upload images like signatures, stamps and logos. If we connect Xero or QuickBooks, then all created invoices could be automatically sent to these accounting systems, with time reports attached. We can also connect our SMTP server to send invoices from our domain. You can watch more videos about how Clerk Invoices works in our Help Center. You can also try our other financial apps for Jira. For example, you can use Clerk Budgets to work with retainers, or you can use Clerk Quotes to create quotes for your customers. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.